Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and talk about atrial flutter. Now, I like to call atrial flutter AFib's cousin because they're not exactly the same, but they're close, okay? They're different in ways that are pretty dang obvious, so you shouldn't get confused between the two. Now, let's see exactly why that is. Now, remember how we were talking about AFib? It's just a messed up, like all over the place. You can't really see what's going on. It's a straight line, then all of a sudden it's just wacky and all over the place. For this one specifically, what we're seeing is kind of like a bunch of P waves, one after the other, just differently. So what's happening in the heart is this atrium right here is kind of shaking. It's fluttering, I guess is the best way to say it. Picture something that's fluttering in the wind. Same premise, okay? So it's happening and then it goes away, happening, then goes away, happening, goes away. And this is a classic A flutter right here, okay? So we're looking at this should be the T wave right here. You see it's a little bit inverted, and then it's going to go into these like P waves slash whatever waves these are, and those are going to show you your A flutter. It's seen again over here. Don't get confused by the QRS being inverted. This could just be a different wavelength or a different view of the heart. But right here, you see these notches? They just keep going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And that's a classic atrial flutter that you see right here. If you have any questions, let me know. Atrial flutter, same thing as with AFib. It can give you a little bit of a bad feeling, but I wouldn't necessarily call it a super acute thing that you should worry about. Something that should be dealt with differently. All right.